Jamaica.
Yo, what's up guys? So as you just saw, Paulo and I were just doing a little bit of lawn maintenance. So now that all that's done, I can start the video. Today I'm going to be trying to install my Super Doof body kit. I've been putting it off for a while because I was trying to get the car prepped and ready for the event that I did a few weeks back. So I'm going to see what all I can get installed today. I'm not quite sure how I'm going to mount the front bumper. I might have to run over to the shop to get a way to mount it, but I'm gonna at least try to put the skirts on to see how they fit. So let's go ahead and see how today goes. Little update on Paulo's car. This is the current status of the build. This is currently LS number 3 because the other LS we got had really bad scoring on the cam, which isn't good. So the cam journals and whatnot in the block would have needed to be machined, and he didn't pay all that money just to go need to take the block to get it machined anyway. So LS number 3, but a little update on that. So here's the kit. If you guys don't remember it in the video, I'll pull it out of the box, but it's the 2F Performance Super Doof Type 3. I'll pull it out and show you guys a better look at it. Alright, here's the kit. Skirts, bumper, hollow.
What's that?
Nothing. I can already see that front bumper is going to be a pain in the ass to put on, so I'm just going to start with the side skirts. So pull the beast out and take off the original side skirts off of that first. Alright, so it hasn't started up since the event. Battery might be dead, so let's see if it even starts. Good old RB, baby. Good old reliable. I love this car. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and get started on taking off these side skirts. I have them on there, pretty easy to take off. There's just a couple little screws here and there, and some there. I just got to pull off that trim, but go ahead and pull those off. Alright, here's a car with no side skirts. Pretty much had it held on by double-sided tape. I didn't even have the back screwed in or zip tied. Here's the skirts. I'm not exactly sure if I'm gonna continue to run the splitters or not. I like the way they look, but I gotta see how the new ones sit on the car to determine if I wanna run these or not. So I'm gonna go ahead and place them on the car and see how they look. Alright guys, this is more or less how it would look, but I really honestly don't have any way that I like to see any way that I can mount it. I mean, I guess I could drill out a couple holes and mount it like how the OEM one goes, but I think that's gonna be loose on the front, so I need to find the right stuff to mount it on the front. So it looks like I'm going to have to do this another day because I also don't have the stuff to mount the front bumper either. So this video was an epic fail, so I'm gonna get all the right stuff I need, and maybe I'll get Josh as well to come over and help, or Ramos. or maybe not. But either way, I need to find. This is the reason why I haven't mounted it. Another reason why I haven't mounted it, because I just didn't know which way I was going to go about mounting it, and now I see why. And the front bumper is going to need some major cutting out to make the front mount fit. And it's hot, so what I'm going to do is put these back on there, put it back in the garage, and that'll be it for this part of this video. So next time when I come back, I'll be a little bit more prepared to mount this kit. So not that you guys will even see how long it takes for me to figure all this out, because it'll be a continuous video anyway. So we'll get back to it another time, guys. Peace. Yo, what's up, guys? Okay, so I'm back. The weather's kind of overcast today and windy, so I apologize for any wind noise. But anyways, I'm going to be getting back to trying to install my new Super Doof body kit. I wasn't able to install it the last time because I just didn't have any way to mount it, but I picked up some hardware to try to be able to mount it. Now, I've never used this before, so pretty much going to be learning how to install it, and hopefully it turns out well. So we'll see how today goes. And this is what I'll be using today. These are Zeus fasteners. I mean, they're not extremely hard to install, but you just gotta kind of measure stuff and drill the holes properly and then rivet them on. So first things first, I need to clear up all of, all this Paulo's LS stuff blocking in the RBeast. Pull that out and then get back to tearing that back apart. Hopefully today goes well. And if you don't remember my kit, which you should remember it because it was in previous clips, here it is back in the box, but moved all of Paulo's stuff out of the way. So I'm going to go ahead and pull the beast out. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and rip the side skirts back off again. I think I hear my boy Pat strolling up. What's he got, guys? I don't know. I got people with Hondas in the squad too, but show that another day. Hi. Megan. Smell it. Smell like oil. Did you blow it up already? Can't blow it out. Blow it up till I do a proper video on it.
Yeah, no, it's just on down revs. It looks like a turbo smoking a little bit.
It's Pat, everybody.
So,
damn, what's up with them all stars, bro? What's up?
Yeah.
Oh, I got bands on. Damn, close enough. Megan.
Hi, hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Hi.
Hi.
It's Megan.
Hi.
Yeah, possibly.
Precisions.
But we'll do a video on this soon. We've both been putting it off.
Yeah.
Mostly me. Current update. This ain't gonna work because the lip on this side skirt is so big that the Zeus fastener, it won't be able to penetrate the fender. So round two, idea number two, just screw the hole in the damn front and I'm gonna zip tie it through there and get some double-sided tape. Ain't that right, Pat?
Damn right. Self-tappers.
Ain't that right, Megan? With the husky.
Oh my gosh. I'm like using the one.
What's up, bro?
Tape gang.
Tape game. Alright, here you go. I actually finally got it.
I still can't get mine.
We're so happy.
This is horrible.
Terrible.
Gorilla tape. Squad.
Should make it easier to peel those, bro.
Right side's mostly done.
If you can do it.
Trying to get the left side now. We need about 3 pounds of double-sided tape
Got my third piece there.
to fit. To get that little flush.
Hella sun.
Alright, this is the final mounting of it today. Kind of didn't use anything that I thought I was going to need to use. Didn't Zeus fasten or rivet anything. More like zip tie and double side. Is that funny?
It's
Is that
hilarious.
funny? Hilarious?
Hilarious.
Okay.
240 left.
240 life. But so I'm gonna have most likely Jonathan make me a front bash bar. So I kind of have it just, you know, temporary zip tied up to support it. So when I drive it over there, it doesn't fall down. But you pretty much get the idea of how it sits. I still have to put my rear diffuser back on, but it's pretty much how it's gonna sit. Plus with the new work wheels and then paint and all that other good stuff. But we'll get there when she helps me.
Only if you buy food.
Only if I buy food?
Yeah.
Okay. That's how it is, guys. Kind of like the big openings in the front. You can see, you know, that fitment looks great. The intercooler, obviously, you know, I'm gonna move the tag out of there, but a ton of airflow going in there. But once I get it all painted, I'm trading this guy, and I'm going Honda, baby. Oh, that blow valve over there? All right. Thanks a lot, Pat, for helping. He came in clutch.
Anytime.
We just kind of figured all this out on our own because we've never done this before. So
You got a Honda guy trying to zip stick.
yeah, I called over a Honda guy to help me install a body kit on an S chassis, and we just ended up with a bunch of zip ties. So typical Honda and Nissan guys. We're the same. We just like different drivetrains.
Hi.
Megan,
Yeah.
I'm gonna let you close out the video. Say something cool.
Watch his videos. He's cool.
That was lame.
I don't know.
Peace, guys. She doesn't know.